iTAG. I'm going to go over a quick tutorial about how are some easy ways to filter through the Orphan tag database to search for orphan tags that may be yours. So once you click on the link to our orphan tag network, you should go to this web page here, enter your login information and your password, hit login. You'll be directed to this website here to view the orphan detections or these unknown detections that other people are uploading that may be from animals that you have tagged. Click here, View Orphan Detections. This will take you to essentially the database. How the database is set up is we have multiple columns with each and rows that each correspond to a tag number. The columns are separated by transmitter number, and then just compartmentalized pieces of the transmitter number, the number of detections that transmitter was detected on within a given array, and when that array was uploaded. So this array number is actually a really cool, also a cool little function of this database and the iTAG network. So these array numbers correspond to a set array within the Gulf of Mexico that is conducting telemetry. So each of these array numbers, this is a map, interactive map created by the iTAG network folks that shows that inventories the tracking efforts within the Gulf of Mexico. So each one of these dots represents an ongoing telemetry study or an active telemetry study. If you click on these dots, you'll get a little bit of information about the study, how many receivers there are out there, the principal investigator who's maintaining the array's name, and again this array number which corresponds back to the database. To find this map, just Google FWC iTAG and go to our page, and then 3/4 of the way down you'll see a link to it. But it's pretty cool if you want to check out what's going on in the Gulf and to cross-check the Orphan Exchange-based database with actual information. So once you're here, the easiest way we think to filter out and find tag numbers is to first sort them in ascending order. To do that, you click this gray box that says Tag ID, and this will just sort essentially these tag IDs. Now the tag IDs are sorted in ascending order. So say you've deployed a handful of tags that started with the codes, or the tag number started with 45400. So what you could do is add that number here, click on this filter tool, and go greater than. So all the numbers that are after 45400 should appear, and say your 45460 to 45476 are animals that you tagged but lost track of somewhere down the study. Now they're here, you can go highlight them and click claim. Another potentially easier way to sort and filter through the database is to actually use a between function. To do that, you enter the first tag of the sequence and the last tag of the sequence. So say we know our first tag of the sequence is 45400, and we know the last tag of the sequence is 545990. So we can enter that 54590. We click the filter function and then go to between, and then all those tags that are between those numbers appear here, and then you can click them, claim them, and you're good to go. Alright, that's some easy ways to filter through the database. Let me know if you have any questions or have any comments about the network or the database. Look forward to hearing back from you. Thanks. Bye.